What is forest therapy? Forest therapy is the bridge between all beings. It's the practice of immersing yourself and all your senses in nature, with the understanding that the forest works in harmony with the internal capacity for medicine that each person carries. Being in nature and surrounded by non-human beings gives us the opportunity to let go of our thoughts and experience what is giving us joy. You follow your curiosity and simply notice. The forest reveals to us what we are needing to heal and find inner peace.